Hi guys. It has been a while since I made a video. This is Fredizo once again. This video I won't talk too much in terms of the strategy, but there are just few things which I need us to share. I've been wondering why every time we keep on borrowing accounts, we deposit $10, you raise it to 50, you borrow. You raise it to 30, you borrow. You deposit and you deposit again, but nothing is happening. Why does it work like that? That one, it's very simple. Why I wasn't posting any videos, I was looking at the market, I was studying the market, and I discovered to say the major reason why we always borrow our accounts is a result of equity. Why am I saying equity? Equity is very important and cardinal when it comes to trading. For you as a trader to stand in the market, you need good equity. For example, your strategy can be 99% accurate, but if your equity is minimal, it will be difficult for you to make it in the forex market. Why am I saying so? For example, your equity is a $10 account, and let's say you enter your trade from here. You were buying these candles. You were busy buying these candles. Then all of a sudden it spikes. Boom. As it spikes, you're like, okay, let me hold a bit so that it comes back. As you are holding, you think like it's coming back again. It continues the spike, a series of spikes, boom, until your account at $10, it's brown. But if you have got a good equity, even though it spikes, you still be able to stand on the market. Why am I saying so? For example, you got the equity of $500. From that 500, you say, okay, I'll be risking a $50. You risk your $50 to get $100. It will retrace. After it retraces, it will still come back and it should be in your favor. That way you won't be able to borrow account. And the other way which makes us to borrow our accounts is what we call the lot size. Lot size, it borrows our accounts. For example, mine, I'm trading on a $50 account. That's a $50 account. This $50 account, it's nothing again. If I try to increase the lot size and it spikes against me, obviously the spikes will take away my account. But if I've got a bigger equity, I'll still be able to stand on the market. No matter what, I'll still be able to stand on the market. So, like I said, today I don't want to talk much about the strategy. I want to talk much about how one can make it in this market. Truthful guys, there is good money in the forex market. There is good money in the forex market. Do not be deceived. Those $10 which you normally deposit to say, no, I need to deposit this $10 so that I make profit of a $50 from a $10. My friends, it is really difficult for you to make that $50 profit from a small equity. It's very, very, very difficult. The more you try to make, the more $50 from a $10 equity, the more you grow your account. But how do you withstand that? You need to have good equity. So first and foremost, you need to have good equity. You need to have a good strategy, and that's when you have what we call the risk management. You apply it. I'm not saying from a $10 account you cannot make it. You can make it, but you need to work on your lot size. You reduce the lot size to 0.01, and those are in cents. Just for you to make $1, it won't be anytime soon. The market will still be hammering you terribly. So the best way to go about it, guys, you need to have good equity. Remember, Forex trading is also a business. The way we can invest in other businesses, even in Forex, we need to invest. From our investments, which we invest into this Forex business, that's when we'll be able to reap what we want to reap. Because like I have already given an example, you deposit a $10, you have got an equity of $10, and you expect to make $100 profit every day. It's not possible, guys. It's not possible. Don't be deceived. It's not possible. The best way to make that $100 profit on daily basis, you need to have good equity. Once you have that good equity, you work on your strategy. You have a perfect strategy. Once you have that perfect strategy in place, do the risk management. Have a good risk management. Once you have a good risk management, work on the lot size. For example, you've got a $500 account and you want to open a lot size of let's say 5.0, and you're trading against spikes. Once a spike hammers you, my friend, that $500 account won't even be seen. 2-3 spikes, your 500 will also disappear. You won't be able to see your 500. So what am I saying? No matter how the good strategy is good, lot size matters a lot. You can have a good strategy, but remember, on this market, it's a live market we are preying on. What I mean is, the market does retrace. There's some retracements. There's some pullbacks. Like, for example, I entered my market from there. I entered my market from here. As I entered my market from there, there was this pullback. Me, I wanted this pullback. This pullback which has happened, that's the one I wanted. And I'm anticipating another one to happen. Once that one happens, that's when I'll be able to cross. Now imagine you were trying to, you were buying these small candles. Then all of a sudden there's this pullback and you're on a bigger lot size. Only these two pullbacks, they will be able to hammer your account because of the lot size. That's where the risk management comes in so handy. So in summary, what I've talked about, guys, I've talked about you need good equity for you to see the goodness of trading. You need good equity. Once you have good equity, make sure you have a good strategy. And if the strategy is in place, risk management is important. Risk management is important. So what I've talked about, I'll be breaking them in each and every video which I'll be making. I break them in parts. I'll be breaking them in parts. Part 1, I talk about equity. Part 2, I talk about strategy. Part 3, I talk about risk management. Once I've talked about those things, then you'll be able to see the importance of trading. Because this one is not just a game, it's a business. It's a business which needs good investment. Thank you for your time. I've been your host, Fredizo, from Fredizo Academy. Have a blessed trading. Thank you so much.